Hi ladies and gents, crypto traders. My name is Jan Roberts of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to put Storj as the crypto trade of the week. And that is a decentralized storage application, and it is ranked number 123, and it is currently trading around $35 and you can see at storj.io the um, the description of the decentralized cloud storage of Storj, and it says that it is experiencing as a user the fastest, safer, more affordable object storage alternative, all made possible by a massive global network of nodes on the Storj network. So basically, if you have actually this space, you can rent it out on Storj. So it is quite interesting, in my opinion. And because what is Storj doing? Storj is paying node operate for the unused storage and bandwidth, make decentralized storage possible for tardigrade.io customers, and put your extra space to use and start earning today. Tardigrade.io, that explanation here that the store data, upgrade your storage layer to the world's first S3 compatible decentralized cloud storage solution. Tardigrade is 100% secure, more affordable, more reliable. So as you can see, that is a kind of application competing with Dropbox, for instance, and other cloud space vendors. Anyway, if you want to take a look for more information, they are more than 4 or 5 years in the market already, and it's very worthwhile to go to storj.io. If I take a look at the chart, you can see in September it zoomed higher to a peak of 80 cents more or less, and now back again, back to the basics. This is a chart of Binance, and if you take a look at this is a daily chart with the trade navigator. It did not signal a buy yet, but as you can see is if you take a look at the horizontal line, that is 31 cents, and the other one is here, horizontal to the low side here, 26 cents. These are the boundaries. To the downside, it's quite a strong support area, and to the upside, we can find some resistance in the vicinity of 40 cents, with the price trading around 35 cents, 70 target, so double. It would be more or less 100% increase of price. It could be on the table within a few months. But even if you go to 50 cents, that is more or less a 50 cents, 50% upside potential. So Storj is a very nice coin to take a look at. You can buy them at Binance and other several exchanges, also Coinmerce. I would like to give a shot for that, and if you want to take a look for more information, go to cryptoacademy.nl for more trading tips and info. Hasta la vista, bye.